Already in the state, Naveen Patnaik BJD government, they have totally damaged the primary agricultural cooperative banks. They have looted. Rampant corruption is going on in the primary agricultural cooperative banks. Yesterday also, lot of farmers had a dharna in front of cooperative minister's house. That is the fate of the situation in Odisha today. BJD and BJP, both of them are two sides of a coin. In parliament, when the BJP brought an agricultural bill, BJD in Lok Sabha, they just simply kept quiet. Rajya Sabha, they requested to send it to the selecting committee. But they have not openly criticized the failures of the bill. But same time, in the assembly, when the subject has come, the same agriculture issue has come, BJD brought the bill and BJP walked out. So that shows the indication, that shows the inner mind of the both party. They are totally anti-farmers. Both BJD and BJP, they are together and they want to sell the farmers' land to the corporate sectors. For that only that bill has come. The MSP, the history, people are not aware of the history. It is a Congress government in 1964 introduced the MSP to help the farmers, to get the farmers to get a right price for their produce. For that only Congress government has introduced the MSP. Now BJP has brought a 3 draconian bill. They are telling outside, Prime Minister himself has told, we will keep that MSP. If they want to keep the MSP, my simple question is only one thing. You have drafted a law, pages of this thing, literature is there in the law. Could you able to show even one line about the MSP? You have, because your intention, that is a hidden agenda of the BJP and BJP government and Narendra Modi to remove the MSP so that the corporate sectors can squeeze the farmers. Already there are